This is a 6-pack of polyester nurse scrub hats I was sent a review from Geyoga, so let's take a closer look. Design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's got deer and leaves, cheetah, and 4 blue ones with various flowers. Such a great assortment. They each have elastic on the back and ties, as well as attached buttons that you can loop your face mask around to save your ears. They have a super soft sweatband for your forehead right in the front. Here's the rest of the inside, nice and breathable single layer on top. So this is the size. It's nice and big. Then you can tie it down to fit you as snugly as you need. Then you can hook your mask straps right there. So that way you don't have to hook it onto your ears. It's gonna be so much more comfortable. You could potentially even pull it up and off without touching inside. Product page says hand wash only, but these should be fine in a cold machine wash and then hang dry. If you're a doctor, a nurse, a chef, spa esthetician, anyone who needs to wear their hair back or wear a face mask, these are gonna be great. They're cute, they're stylish, they're comfortable. I love them and I know you will too.